Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hey guys, it's DIY number 1. This was such a cute little poster that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just decided to bling it up a little bit, which I love doing anyway because Christmas is all about glitter and just sparkles, at least for me it is. I know there's traditionalists out there that it's pretty much green and red, and I like that too. I think that's also very, very pretty. So I'm taking the little strips from Dollar Tree that came in this little pack. It was adhesive, so you could just pretty much just cut it and put it around. I also use this same glitter for my little nutcrackers that I spray painted black, so if you want to go back in some of my videos and see those, they turned out so cute. And I actually ended up buying another nutcracker and a little teeny nutcracker, and I have a little house, so I'm going to glitter them too. I'm going to have like a whole little scene, which will be really cute. So this was pretty easy to do. Like I said, I liked the sign. It was $1 at Dollar Tree. We still have dollars. Ours hasn't gone to $1.25, so I feel pretty lucky. So I can sort of like stock up on some of the stuff before it goes to $1.25. And then I had some little, I guess, little mini Christmas ornaments that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to stick some little presents in his hand. It came from Hobby Lobby, and it was like, you got, I think, like 6 or 9 in a pack. I think it was $2. And I'm just going to use my glue gun and do that. I'm also, with the little Christmas trees there, I'm going to put little branches from a floral that I had, and that way it's going to be like a 3D little poster. Now, I put these packages on there and I did them the wrong way. So you'll see later that I ended up taking them off, and I had to use 2 new ones. These came from the Dollar Tree in a package. I think there was either 9 or 12 of them. But as I turned it around, I realized I should have put it the opposite direction. So I have this cute little wreath too that's got some berries on it. And I'm going to put that at the top of the tree. And then, you know, they have that beautiful little wired garland that you see at different times of the year. They do it for Easter, they do it for 4th of July. And I'm just cutting a piece so that I can actually hang this little picture. As you can see, I'm going to show it to you. I love the way it turned out. It's like my little 3D poster. How cute is that? I think it turned out really pretty. Now I got some puffy paint because I wanted to do his hair and his beard, because I was already doing like the 3D theme on this one. So I just got the little puffy paint from Hobby Lobby. I couldn't find any at Dollar Tree. But I think he turned out so cute. Look at him. Isn't he cute? I love the way this turned out. It's just really cute. It's festive. He's holding all these little toys, which are coming out of his little Christmas bag. And of course, all the greenery that's behind him. I love it. DIY number 2, I'm still spray painting because I do love to spray paint. I have this box that I got from Costco, and I'm just spray painting this little, it's like a little ceramic house. I got it this summer at Hobby Lobby, and it was $2.49, originally $24.99. So it was like 90% off. I had bought also another one that I used in my Halloween, and I spray painted it black. As you can see, I'm using some of the florals, and I'm just going to, yeah, this is from Walmart's, I believe, yeah. Walmart has some really pretty flowers, guys. And they're 97 cents, and since Dollar Tree is going to be going up to theirs for $1.25, I think I'm going to be hanging out at Walmart, at least around their floral department, because, you know, when they get them in and that rack is really full, it turns out so pretty. I mean, they pack it full, and then, you know, the next time you come, it's pretty empty, because they are a really bargain for 97 cents. So all of these came from Walmart. I love the way this turned out. I have little flower arrangements all around my house for every season. I don't really use any florals, like the little florals that you stick it in. I just put it in and decorate it that way. That way I can pull it out for the next one. Got the little terrarium glass, was plastic, from Dollar Tree. And I have the little Dollar Tree trees that you get. They come in a little package. And I think this one I just had in my stash. It's a little bit bigger. It wasn't from Dollar Tree. I'm using the little, I guess what you put in your little scenes for your houses. So I just pulled this one out of my stash, and I'm going to glue it inside this little terrarium. And then I'm going to put some snow in it. This is pretty quick and easy. I'm just putting some snow that I have from another DIY that I did. Isn't that cute? You can hang that on your tree, or you could put it in some of your little, like what I did. I just put it in with some of my other decorations. This one probably took, what, 5 minutes? It's a great 5-minute craft. I do have another channel called 5-Minute Crafts, so you can go over there and see some of those. DIY number 4. All right, this is a plate that I had from Dollar Tree. It was a charger plate. I think I either got it at Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby, and I'm using some of their ornaments. And then I'm trying to use the greenery that you get from Dollar Tree. It's like the garland that's wrapped around. And I'm trying just to hide some of the little tops of the ornaments so you don't know that they're ornaments. So I'm just intertwining it in and out. Now I didn't have enough of the sparkles, so I had to use some plain ones, but later on I did Mod Podge it, and I put some glitter on it so that it would actually be uniform all through this particular DIY. I have this beautiful cross that came from Dollar Tree. It was an ornament. And now I'm just got a bag of little pine cones that came from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going around gluing them in different places. Okay, I see that my editor sort of stuck this one in there, But what I'm doing, and I spray painted, oh, maybe she'll take that out. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? I love the way this turned out. It's so beautiful. I'm giving this one away as a gift. Again, I did go back and glitter that one little Christmas ball that was out of place. I just didn't have enough that came out of that one sleeve at Dollar Tree. But I think this turned out so beautiful, and I am going to give it as a gift. So I am excited to give it to one of my friends. All right, DIY number 5. All right, we've got this wreath form that we're trying to, I guess, get one of the rings off of. And I have this little bamboo basket that I got at the thrift store. I spray painted it white, and I'm using a lot of glue to make it stand up. And now I am just going to wrap the lights around the ring. I've got this little Dollar Tree ornament that I'm going to glue down. Christmas tree. This is so pretty. I saw this on Pinterest, and I saw different ones, and they did most of theirs with deers, but I didn't have any deer. So I'm doing my own little thing with the Christmas trees and the houses. Well, it's actually one house, but you'll see at the end. I love the way this turned out. Again, I'm using some of the little miniature decor items that you see at Dollar Tree that people put like in their little terrariums, or they put it into their little houses. Yes, I love the way this is turning out. It's so cute. And I'm just gluing them all down. I had to end up gluing the house twice because it really wasn't sticking. Now I'm going to pour snow all over the bottom to cover it. I got this pack of snow at Dollar Tree, of course. If you go to Dollar Tree right now, they're out of a lot of stuff. I have my little lights that are on the remote, and there it is. I think this is so adorable. This makes a beautiful Christmas gift to somebody. These are the lights that I got off of Amazon that I have all in my house. They're on a remote, so all you have to do, look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. I wish I had another one to do because I wanted to do one with some deer. But that may be for next year. Or maybe I'll do a Winter Wonderland after Christmas. I'll probably do another one. I love the way this turned out. I am doing a Christmas tour, so wait for that. There's my wreath on the door. I love the way this turned out. I'll have to try to find a picture of the final one because I did glitter that one little ornament. I'll see if my daughter can put one at the end of this video so you can see how it turned out. This is so pretty. And there's my little mini terrarium. I love the way this one turned out too. I thought about putting lights in it, but I just like the simplicity of it the way it is. I have a lot of lights in my house, so. And there is my little ceramic house with Walmart flowers that I just arranged to make it look so pretty. So stay tuned for my Christmas tour. It's coming up. I love the way this little Santa turned out. I do like to bling things out. It just makes it look so much more Christmassy. So cute. So guys, if you would subscribe, thank you for subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have the next one up. And the like button. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.